I'm wondering if you have any thoughts on that, on the people who are trying to kill you.
As far as looking at Islam as a whole, as a religion, I really don't believe that that it's a religious thing. There's always going to be crazies in any religion you have. That's just there's always crazy people, period. And they will look for things to latch onto. And maybe the lack of education makes it a little easier to say, here's what you should do, and go kill these guys, and everything's going to be great, and they might believe it a little more. I really don't blame it on the religion, because I met a lot of wonderful people in Iraq, a lot of people that want it to be a better place. They were thankful that we were over there trying to help them. I guess I don't have an answer for it, but I don't blame it on the religion. I think you can interpret any religion in any way. There's so many loose interpretations of the Bible, of the Quran, and there's violence mentioned in all of them, and it's on the person to not follow through with it. And people over there are just impressionable. I mean, you can get them to believe a lot of things, and